Hello everyone. I compiled this video from several short videos from my Russian language channel. They were recorded during the construction of my eco house in Siberia. This is one of the most efficient ventilation systems. I explain the theory behind this effect in another video. Here I show the depth of the pipe trench using these two wooden sticks. It must be below the soil's freezing depth. I explain the reasons for this in the theory video. We installed a pipe with a 20 centimeters diameter and over 50 meters in length at the depth of 3 meters underground on my property. It's better to make a straight pipe for free-flowing air, but I didn't have enough space, so I decided to make it from 3 parts with no sharp angles. Each part of the pipe was hermetically connected to the next. Here I talk about how much it cost. At that time it was 25,000 Russian rubles for materials, 12,000 for the excavator, and 2,000 for the handyman. It cost almost 40,000 rubles, but it was designed to last a long time. It was intended to provide fresh air to the vegetarium, which was planned for the south side of the house. After that, the same air would be used for house ventilation. If the temperature was extremely low in winter, a valve inside the pipe would redirect the airflow under the house. Here I show a fun echo effect. By the way, you can use it to check if anything has entered the pipe. A pipe like this needs to be cleaned every year. Here I show how I use a remote control camera to inspect the pipe. Each year you need to wash and fumigate the pipe to remove mold and harmful organisms. I know there are pipe cleaning robots available today. They may not be very cheap yet, but who knows, maybe soon. Anyway, it's possible. So, thank you for watching this video till the end, and see you soon in the next one.
Vegetarian.
Which was planned for the south side of the house. Which was planned for the south side of the house. Which was planned for the south side of the house.
A valve.
Valve. They may not be. And see you soon